everyone, I'm Smriti Patel Kalamkar from Pune and welcome to my channel. So you know what, I love traveling. I'm a complete travel freak. I was a cabin crew for 5 years and now I just want to explore as much as I can. So here I am to share all my travel experiences with you all. So without wasting any time, I would just like to know one more thing before we start is, do you love traveling? Are you planning a trip to India, but feeling overwhelmed by the vastness and diversity of this incredible country? Look no further than our YouTube channel, where we provide insider knowledge and local insights to help you make the most of your visit. As an Indian with a passion for travel and exploration, I am excited to share my love for my country with you. On our channel, we offer travel tips and tricks, cultural insights and practical advice to help you navigate everything from transportation and accommodation to food and sightseeing. Whether you're interested in exploring the bustling cities, discovering the rich history and culture, or simply soaking up the vibrant colors and flavors of India, our channel has something for everyone. We go beyond the typical tourist destinations to show you the hidden gems and lesser known attractions that make India so special. So why wait? Subscribe to our channel today and start planning your dream trip to India. Let us be your guide on this unforgettable journey.